Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset Windows 10 without logging in. So it is very easy. So here you can see we have this power button here. So just click here, and now holding shift key from our keyboard we need to click on restart. So here we need to click on troubleshoot now. Then here you will see the option reset this PC. So just click here. Then here you will see two options. The first is keep my files, where they'll remove apps and settings but keep your personal files. And the second option is remove everything. I want to remove everything, so I'll just click here. Next we have to reinstall Windows. So for that we have two options. If you want to cloud download, here you need to choose that option, but personally I prefer this one, local install. So I'll just click here. Next here you need to select like which drive you want to remove. If you want to remove the drive where the Windows is installed, then select this option. If you want to remove all drives, then select this option. I want to remove only drive where Windows is installed, so I'll just select this option. Now if you want to clean your PC fully, then you need to choose this option. And if you want to keep your PC, in that case you need to select this option. So this is up to you, like which option suits you. But yeah, that's how you can factory reset Windows 10 without logging in. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.